Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about how to cancel your Ripple Plus order. Okay, so if you have placed any order and you want to cancel your order, so how you can cancel. So first of all you need to know about the cancellation policy of company. So the cancellation of policy, you can order cancellation policy says if you have placed your order, so you can cancel your order only within first hours of your purchase. Otherwise you are not able to cancel your order. Okay, and for cancellation you need to send an email at this email address info@rippleco.com. okay, you need to send an email at this email address related to your order. So how we can compose, so composition email composition method is, you can see over here, I would like to request cancellation of purchase order number this, placed on date, due to decision of my management, or you can say, you can type anything, and I will keep updated in case of any changes in the order. I will thankful immediate cancellation of the order. Okay, and once you completely, you can say compose this email, you need to send this email at this email address, and that's it. Okay, once they receive your email they will reply you very soon, and after 1 hour they are not able to cancel your order, so you have to be very careful. Okay, so this is the method. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and if you are facing any issue you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and bye bye.